Monday morning, different Scania today. Telehandler off on its travels again. So we're doing alright there. Clouding up today. They keep forecasting lots and lots of rain, but we don't seem to be getting a great deal of it. So the combines will keep rolling. Could be a very short harvest this year. Right. Well, there's a trailer back from being there's a trailer that we showed you a little while ago that had been over on its side, and it's been back to Richard Western and been I think it's had a new body on it, to be fair, so looks good. But the strange thing about this is, the real strange thing about this is that one of our mysteries has now been solved. A little while ago we had a no one knows who did it Dan scenario. And we do that, sorry, the no one knows who did it Dan scenario comes from Daniel Asheville. And those who watch Asheville know that he has this thing called No One Knows Who Did It Dan. And the fact that we have a Dan here now, it kind of works. So anyway, we had a foam lance adapter, so the snow foam adapter that you put onto the hand lance of the steam cleaner to spray snow foam. It went missing and nobody knew anywhere where it had gone. No one knew who did it, Dan. Anyway, the very nice Richard Western trailer man here, we brought our trailer back. Oh, by the way, in the back of the trailer was that. So no one knows who did it, Dan, who lost our spray foam lance, left it in the back of that trailer. So all we've got to do now is go back and find out who washed the trailer out, find out who left it in there. But anyway, at least one mystery today has been solved, which is a positive thing. So we're not going to look at the negative, we're going to look at the positive, the fact that we've actually now got, sorry, the hand lance back. There we have one Richard Western trailer back home. I didn't realise Michelle's over there filming as well, but there we go. Right, get this trailer out of the way.
Oh my god, the weather's turned. I'll risk getting wet, soggy, to watch Michael pull this off. Can I borrow you for a minute?
Oh, he was on here.
No, can you just come over here? We have a follower, Alan Shearer. He does photography. It's his birthday. He's 44.
Aww.
And he would like you and Dan as well, to sign his
Aww.
t-shirt.
Where do I want to sign it? On the same place?
Yeah.
This isn't easy.
No.
Made a pig's ear of that. You might just, this doesn't come out very well, I'm afraid. But it's definitely my signature. Or my name. Yeah. There we go.
Just
Personally signed. It's got Dan now, but Dan's out on a breakdown.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Oh, he can do it later then.
Well, the rain's definitely arrived. Sure, we've got a mud flap. We've got our friends here from Tan Vic Tyres. You're a tyre company in Newark, aren't you? Newark.
Certainly are.
There you go, there's the name on the van. And what's your name is?
Everyone calls me Ginge.
Everyone calls you what?
Don't know why.
He is. That one, anyway. Anyway, they
Right,
came to collect their gas cage for their depot. But we know Pete quite well, and great firm. So tell us something exciting about Pete. Come on, that we can embarrass him on YouTube.
Oh, Dan. I like my job too much.
That's staff loyalty for you. That's quite good, isn't it? That's quite good. Anyway, there you go. So if you see Ginger and Travels, give us
a clap.
Right, thank you. Right, anyway, 1 gas cage bottle out of the way. That's good. Job's good. So a happy customer. But apparently, after my efforts of signing this, and it was horrible. It was horrible signing it with a pen. Michelle signed it. Apparently, they want the main person to sign it.
So here I am.
Who'd have ever thought people would want us to sign the clothes they wear?
We're famous now, Michael.
It's quite sweet. So there you go, Dan. See if you can make a mess of that.
I was going to wait for you to stop filming before I had a go.
So you got to spell it. So it's duh. So Dan is now signing the t-shirt. What was it? It was called a sweatshirt. No, t-shirt. What was it?
Polo shirt.
Polo shirt. That's fun. You gonna draw a smiley face or something?
Maybe. I'm struggling with my name at the minute. It's not very easy, is it?
It's not easy. I know.
Yeah, we'll do a smiley face.
Oh dear. No, there we go.
How does Joe Seals do this?
Well, there you go. There we have it. It's quite cool, isn't it? And you noticed you've been moving stuff in the yard ready for tomorrow. That's good. But that's cool. So it's a good day. The yard looks empty, doesn't it? It looks lovely, isn't it?
It's good, isn't it? Apart from them trailers that are going to the same place.
Yeah, they go now, aren't they? So that's cool. So look at that big empty yard. Result. Happy days.
Inspection.
Ain't too bad at all, actually. That's all right. Give it to Ken to. What's going to have in it?
I'm not sure without looking at my paperwork, but Ken's off, isn't he? So. It passed the inspection. It'll have to be fitted out.
News is the sweeper that didn't come yesterday because he was really busy is here today. Now we're very lucky really, because this business belongs to a very good friend of mine, and he has got some awesome kit. This is the sweeper of all sweepers. It truly is. Driver in there is called Mick. We'll catch up with him in a minute. But this is sweeper. As you know, we run sweepers in Kent and have done for 30 odd years, but this is the proper thing. I'll tell you a few things that are different about it. So you've got a normal thing, you've got your cab, nice to scan your sleeper cab there, proper thing. You've got a belly brush under there and the side brushes each side, then a hoover box each side, which is that's the standard thing, so you can sweep left hand, you can sweep right hand. But this has got kind of far better washing systems. You've got full width high pressure bar across the back. And now we're going to make it noisy. And a full width hoover on the back. Doesn't that look impressive? What a proper piece of kit that is. We will have the cleanest of yards. As you see, the yard's all quite mucky at the moment. We've got lorries running in and out hourly, moving stuff around. So that for a beast. The good thing is, the bit that a lot of people won't get is that by having a rear hoover full width across the back, you don't need wheel marks. So if you're cleaning tarmac for maybe a housing estate handover, things like that, it does a really good job. Proper good job. So having a rear hoover. And my mate Oliver should be very proud of what he's built up and his fleet of machinery. Years ago, with sweepers, when we first started running sweepers, having a day cab was the norm. We never had sleeper cabs. So now there's no excuse for these drivers ever to go home, because they don't need to, do they? We've got Lee over here who's washing the bits away from the building so that he's doing a good job of that too. He's going to clean the bits away from the building so we can have a sweeper can get it. High pressure jets on the back. How well that concrete's coming up where that machine's been. And a couple of passes of that really will make the yard look a lot cleaner. I like all these fancy light bars on the lorry, all the flashing lights and high bay bars, and looking very, very smart. Hang on. We've got a spray bar on the front as well. Great for washing the dirt out. Wow. Haven't things moved a long way over the years? That's Mick, the main driver. Yard cleaning day at GCS. How's that for a weapon? What a weapon. I know this isn't very machinery related, but little ducklings there. She had 6 originally, she's lost 3. Not quite sure where, but what's quite is they've come all the way from the pond over the other side, all the way through to this pond. And now Ashley just realised walking along there that I'm filming, and she can't hide. Look at the little ducks, aren't they cute? Cracking. I'm so blessed to see Mother Nature like this. So if anybody's looking a sweeper to sweep their farmyard, office, factory, school, whatever, roadworks, priority plant. Oh, well, they've done that bit as well there. Even better, my word. Right, priority plant and sweepers, give them a call. We'll definitely be having them back here without a question of a doubt. Although we've got our own ones in Kent. They're a long way from Devon to come up here. So a driver Mick's done an awesome job. So thank you for priority plant. Thank you, Oliver, and thank you, Mick, for doing a wonderful job there. Meanwhile over here, Lee's doing an awesome job over here as well. Look, we had it all cleaned up. They do so much better. Wonderful job, seriously. Good job to do. And this is a wonderful pressure washer here. This is for sale, I believe, so it's, anyone wants to buy that. Yep. Lee will miss it, wouldn't you, Lee?
Oh yes. Where's that hole in my head?
No, so there we go. No, that is for sale. There we go. And here's the blue tank Michelle was painting up the other day. Looks alright, doesn't it? But the stickers just make it look I think takes focus away from the paint. No, it looks good. Looks good. That's Stuart Blue, by the way. Everybody watching? That's Stuart Blue. So that one's good. What day is it today, Dan?
Thursday.
Hey?
Thursday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it?
No, it's not Thursday, Dan.
Wednesday.
It's Wednesday.
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 He's checking his phone.
Right, sorry, right. Sorry, we're getting lost in... Right, we've got to the end of the day. Apparently it's Wednesday. Dan's trying to convince me it's Thursday because I think he wants a long weekend. Something like that, anyway. Right. I'd like to thank everybody last night who commented on my video on why we do YouTube and the mental health thing and all that. So thank you for all the kind messages. Seriously means a lot. Thank you to everybody that sent us messages, and we got a lot of messages that were off of YouTube as well that sent privately to us. So thank you for that, and it's nice to know that we're kind of helping other people as well. So that was a real positive thing from that video last night. So thank you, brilliant. Right, you're gonna call it a day now. Please click and subscribe. Press the subscribe button. And we're trying to grow this channel a little bit, and it helps massively. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you on Thursday. It's Wednesday. Thursday tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.